Another day and I'm back with another new video. Hey guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. And today I'm back with a brand new smartwatch video guys. So Timex has just launched their brand new smartwatch in India and it's already in the house. So this is called as the Timex Fit and packs some nice features, like it's got all the usual smartwatch functions you would look for. Keeping that aside, you've got like SpO2 measurement, body temperature measurement is there, and an exclusive feature known as telemedicine function. Now I'll tell you what that is once we get started with the video. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So here is our brand new smartwatch from Timex. It's called the Timex Fit and comes in this sort of box packaging. It's got a complete blue box with the Timex branding on the top, a picture of the product on the front side, and mentions some of its features over here, like it supports SpO2 measurement, body temperature measurement, and continuous heart rate. Keeping that aside, you've got some more features and highlights mentioned over here. See, basically this smartwatch has most of the essentials and basic needs that a watch should have, and keeping that aside, you've got some exclusive health related features which I'll tell it apart in the video. And going to the back side, there is nothing much written over here as well guys. So that is pretty much it. What I'll do is I'll quickly get started with the unboxing and then we'll check out the product. So as soon as you open the package, we've got our brand new smartwatch at the top. We've got the Timex Fit branding over here as well. And by the way guys, the watch comes in 3 different color options. The one we have right now is the black color smartwatch with blue and black strap variant. Keeping that aside, you get a USB magnetic dock for charging the watch and some paperwork. Just make sure to read this for complete information on how to set up the watch. That's it guys, these are all the stuff we got in the package. Now let's finally check out the watch. Here you go, this is how the Timex Fit smartwatch looks like. And from my first impressions, the watch does look pretty good. It's not that heavy also, feels pretty lightweight. And let me just remove the sticker on the top. There you go. So let me tell you about the display. The watch comes with a 1.3-inch full color LCD touch display and has the Timex branding at the top side, and there's one touch button on the bottom used to interact with the watch. The bezels on it do look a bit thick and has a 2.5D type curved glass at the top. Build quality looks pretty good guys. The entire watch case is made of polycarbonate material, and not to forget, the watch is also 1 meter water resistant. There's no official IP rating on it, but the brand says it's like 1 meter water resistant. And at the backside you've got a HR monitor, Timex branding, some charging contacts, and a magnet for the charging dock. That is pretty much it. And if you talk about the straps, quality of the straps look pretty nice, feel very soft and durable, and I like this two-tone black and blue color scheme on it. So that's it guys, that was our complete overview on the design and the build quality. I'll just set up the watch and be right back to continue the video. Alright guys, so till now we've seen the unboxing part and also discussed about the design and the build quality of the watch, right? Now let me tell you about the display quality, and after that I'll give you like a complete overview on the UI, built-in apps and features and all that stuff. So this is how the Timex watch looks like, and coming to the display, I've mentioned right, the Timex Fit comes with a 1.3-inch full color touch LCD display, and the display quality is actually pretty good for the price. As usual, you do have raise to wake function available on it, but there is no always on display support, so keep that in mind. Now keeping that aside, the text on it is sharp and crisp. Everything is like easily readable, no issues over here. The colors also look rich and vibrant. And coming to the display brightness, the display is quite bright guys, easily readable even in bright outdoor conditions, so that is not an issue. And I've told you right, it's like full touch panel, so you can easily navigate through the UI. So let me give you a closer look at it and show you all the available apps and features on it. So guys, this is how the watch face on the Timex Fit looks like. It's got like a lot of watch faces, around 10 I believe. You can easily customize them from the watch or even using Timex smartphone app as well. And it does support personalized watch faces as well, where you can apply your own custom images from your phone's gallery. So that option is also there. So on the home screen, it shows you a lot of info like the date and time, battery level, and also shows you your real-time body temperature as well. So that is also pretty good. Now swiping down on the home screen brings the status panel. Over here it shows you the battery percentage of the watch, and has some quick setting shortcuts to some of the features like alarm clocks, DND mode, brightness adjustment, raise to wake function, power saving mode, and lastly DND. So that is it over here. Now by swiping up on the home screen, you can easily access all the watch face menu. From here, you can easily choose and select which face you want to apply on the home screen. So that is what you can do from the bottom side. Now swiping left, you can easily access your fitness related summary, like the number of steps you've taken for that particular day, current heart rate measurement, calories burned, distance traveled, and all that stuff. And by swiping even further to the left side, you can go in depth, like your weekly summary of your steps or maybe distance traveled or health analysis. And lastly comes your sleep monitoring tracking information. And lastly, if you want to access all the built-in apps and features on the watch, then you can do that from the right side of the home screen. So swipe left to access your health vitals. Here you can start your SpO2 measurement or heart rate analysis. I'll get there in a moment. Going next, you've got the sport activity tracking mode. The watch supports up to like 10 sport activity tracking, like you've got all the running, cycling, badminton, and there's a couple of other sport tracking as well. See, unfortunately, this watch doesn't support GPS. So guys, there is no geolocation tracking. These sort of features are not there. You're not going to get in-depth sport tracking analysis. All it can do is just measure the number of steps taken, calories burned, and your real-time heart rate measurement and these sort of stuff. That's it. Now going further right, you got some more built-in functions, like you got find your phone feature, timer function is there, stopwatch is also there, so these functions are definitely there. And lastly, you got the settings page. Here you can set alarm clocks, you can change some units and metrics on the watch, adjust the silent features, and lastly, you got the power off menu and these sort of stuff. That's it guys, these are all the built-in apps and features available. And I totally forgot to mention one more thing. As I've told you, there is no manual or mechanical button present on this watch. You'll have to rely on this tiny touch sensor on the bottom of the watch, bottom side. Using this, you can either go step back or go to the home screen. So that is pretty much it guys. Now what I'll do is I'll tell you about the health and the HR measurement. So as mentioned at the beginning, the Timex Fit smartwatch supports multiple health related functions. First is you've got continuous HR measurement, then you've got SpO2 blood oxygen measurement available, then you've got sleep tracking and analysis, and lastly body temperature measurement is also there. So you've got all the basic sensors built into it. And not to forget, Timex is also offering an exclusive telemedicine function. See, this is something that is available on the Timex smartphone app that you need to install on your phone. Basically, Timex is offering you like a platform in their app using which you can take consultations or book appointments with doctors or specialists for any of your health related queries, either through chat or even phone call conversation. So that is also very helpful. And those doctors or specialists can also have access to your complete health related data and summary through that smartphone app, and then they can suggest you remedies to rectify those sort of problems. And coming to the HR measurement, the HR sensor on it was working very well. It was giving accurate results almost 90% of the time. Now let me show you how you receive call and message notifications on the smartwatch. For this, you'll need to connect the watch to your phone via Bluetooth and enable call and message notifications through the smartphone app, guys. So whenever you get a call on your phone, the watch will start vibrating in a pulsating manner and it will display the name of the person calling you. Now here you only have the option to like dismiss or end the call. There is no option to answer through it because there is no microphone available. And this is how you receive message notifications. You can either receive SMS notifications or even app notifications like from Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and a lot of other stuff. Here also there is no option to reply to the messages from the watch, guys. You only have like you can just view the content of the message and dismiss the notification. We're almost coming to an end. Let me tell you about the battery life. I'd say the battery life on this watch was decently good. On a moderate kind of usage with the screen brightness set to 60%, raise to wake feature on, Bluetooth connected, and light sport activities like every alternate day, I was getting around 6 to 7 days of battery life on a single charge. Well, that's it. That was my video on this new Timex Fit smartwatch. It's a decently good smartwatch that focuses a lot on health related features, offers a good display and battery life. But to be honest guys, I felt it was a bit expensive considering the features it was offering. There was no built-in GPS, has limited sport activity tracking, and it's also not 50 meters water resistant. It costs around 6,995 rupees. I'll just leave a link to that in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that's it for today. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.